up, gentlemen? So the other day, I go to get my hair cut by Steven. We're sitting there talking about all the incredible concerts that are going on in Atlanta this time of year. He told me about a concert he went to, and then I told him about a surprise concert I'm taking my wife to. Dave Matthews. Shh, she loves Dave Matthews Band. Anyway, I was saying, yeah, I'm gonna surprise her. It's kind of like a date. And his assistant goes, oh my God, that's an incredible date. Then she starts telling me about a date she went on to go see like some hair band and how much fun it was and all that. And all of a sudden I start thinking about dates. I look around and I am surrounded by a sea of spicy senoritas. This is what I call inspiration. Today I'm gonna go over 10 incredible date ideas that women love that you haven't thought of. Number 1.
So my fiance, our first date was at a shooting range, and I thought that was super clever and very different.
How have I not thought of a shooting range or going skeet shooting before? It's perfect, right? There's danger, it's an activity, you're going out, you're engaged. This is a home run any way you shake it. Number 2.
Go ride the Ferris wheel downtown.
I like it.
And then go out and bar hop afterwards.
Now I love it. It's perfect, right? An amusement park. Absolutely, like game over, an incredible date idea. Once again, it's an activity, you're going. They have games, they have rides. Afterwards, drinks? Yes, please. Number 3.
Fishing.
What an incredible idea. Fishing is another one of those things where you get a pole, you get maybe 2 poles, you get some worms. Even if you're not a fisherman, it's something super cool, it's active, you get to bring food if you want to, maybe some beer, bottle of wine, and just go and fish. It's a great opportunity to do something active outside and kind of fun. Number 4.
I love going to concerts.
And number 5.
Sporting event. Like soccer or baseball or anything like that.
Concerts and sporting events are 2 of my absolute favorite date ideas. They're fun, they're engaging, you leave a memory. And if you're gonna go or take that special someone to an event, you better have today's video sponsor, SeatGeek, on your phone. SeatGeek kicks so much ass it is ridiculous. It's a ticket buying app, right? It is so incredibly cool. I've been using SeatGeek long before they ever sponsored any video. The way that it works, you go on to SeatGeek. It's an app, it's free. I will link to it down below if you want to go and download it today. The way that it works, you go on and you can search by area, you can search by event for different things like concerts, sporting events, comedy shows, festivals. They've even got Broadway shows. Little culture, yeah, wouldn't kill you. Guys, the way that SeatGeek works, it's a ticket buying app. It aggregates all the tickets that are for sale for a specific event, and then it gives it a score, each ticket on a scale of 1 to 10, and then it indicates whether or not the ticket is a good deal or bad deal by a green, good, or red dot bad. You know whether or not the ticket you're buying is a good deal or you're getting screwed. It's incredible. Guys, I've used SeatGeek for ages. I got Dave Matthews Band tickets. What's up, SeatGeek? Love ya. It's just an incredible app, and if you don't have it, you're definitely getting screwed on incredible tickets. Guys, there's a link down below along with the discount code. If you enter the code ALPHA in the Me tab, they're gonna give you $20 off your first purchase. I don't even need to oversell SeatGeek. It's just like the best. Guys, grab it today, link below, download it, enter the code, get $20 off your first purchase. So I'm there asking all the stylists, and all of a sudden I hear this voiceover sitting on the couch from a lady's like, I want to be in it, and I'm like, all right, let's hear it. Number 6.
I think probably playing couples golf.
Golfing, yes, I suck at golf. You probably suck at golf. Your girl or guy, whatever you're into, probably sucks at golf. Does it matter? No. That's what makes it more amazing. Those of you a little more dangerous, a little more adventurous, maybe go number 7.
A motorcycle ride up the mountain.
Wear your helmet, be safe, don't drink and drive. I'm too much of a puss. Number 8, I didn't press record, but I remember because it was amazing. It was a flea market, and this is something where I think I might have actually mentioned it before. This is a great idea. It's fun, you get to walk around, look at little like crap, you get to look at artists. Flea market festival, they are absolutely hands down incredible date ideas. You want something simple, easy, super affordable? Maybe go number 9.
Go to dinner in Atlanta and get on a helicopter and go to the beach.
I'm like, Shannon, what are you freaking talking about? Who's getting a helicopter ride to the beach? Not anyone who dates my ass. Freaking helicopter ride and beach. Whatever. Do people really do that? Apparently they do. Maybe. Or like the idea of it. You know, the beautiful thing about a lot of the ideas that these women told me and are sharing with you, they're super cheap. They're crazy affordable. And the idea is that it's about what you're doing. It's about the thought that goes into it, and it's about being a little bit creative and doing things outside of the box. You know, dinner and movie, like, okay, that's great, and there's a time and a place, and if she or he, whatever you're into, loves that, then do that. But these are some incredible ideas that are a little bit different. And I think the best way to wrap this video up is with number 10.
Hey guys, just show up. Be yourselves, be a gentleman, open the door, be kind. And what you give is what the lady will give back to you.